Viewers, India today is going through anguishing times with women being brutalized, from a doctor in Kolkata being raped and murdered inside hospital to kindergarten kids being sexually abused in school, leaving everyone dismayed and horrified. Even the president was forced to say enough is enough. However, the very obnoxious mindset that President Murmu ruled over today once again reared its ugly head. Former Punjab MP Simranjit Singh Mann said that actor and BJP MP Kangana Ranaut has a lot of experience of rape ka tajurba, and can explain how rape happens. Mann made the comment when asked about BJP MP's recent remarks on the farmers' protest.
मैं कहना तो नहीं चाहता, रेनॉल्ड साहब को रेप का तो बहुत तजर्बा है, उनसे आगे पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसे होता है रेप, तो लोगों को समझाया जाए कि रेप कैसे होता है।
उनको कैसे तजुर्बा है?
तजर्बा जैसे होता है, आप अगर साइकिल चलाते हैं तो साइकिल चलाने का तजर्बा नहीं होता, तो उनको रेप का तजर्बा है।
अगर इस तरह से आर्टिस्ट की जो है वो आवाज़ को दबाया जाएगा और एक फिल्म को, मेरी क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी को, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों ने बंदूकें तान दी हैं, हमारे माथे पे रख दी है, तो बंदूकों से तो हम डरने वाले हैं नहीं। और आज मुझे रेप थ्रेट्स भी आ रहे हैं कि कंगना को पता है कि रेप क्या होता है, तो वो मुझे एक तरह से रेप की भी धमकियां दे रहे हैं, तो इस तरह से वो मेरी आवाज़ नहीं दबा सकते हैं।
Let's open this up. Karan Verma, Ratan Sharda, stay on. Kanchana Yadav, spokesperson of the Rashtriya Janata Dal, joins us. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary ji, also with us, political analyst. Good evening to both of you. Kanchana Yadav, did you hear the comment? What do you make of this comment? Rape ka tajurba?
Yes, Pranesh, I heard that comment and I'm a bit disappointed with this debate, because this debate is on the woman who doesn't know what to speak after opening her mouth, first of all. And second, I watched on your television that I came to know that there is a National Commission for Women who do exist in our country, and who speaks up, the chief of the National Commission of Women speaks up. About the atrocities that are going around our country, that are going across our country, and she did mention about what that person said about Kangana, but she didn't mention a word about what Kangana said, claimed that there was rape and murder was happening in the farmer protest. Because of this statement, because of her this statement, I came to conclusion that Kangana is insane. She is truly inhuman, and she is truly inhuman because of that statement. There should be a
एक मिनट, कंचना यादव जी, आप ये कहना चाह रही हैं, मैं सिंप्लीफाई कर देता हूं आपके थॉट्स, आप ये कहना चाह रही हैं क्योंकि कंगना रनौत ने कहा था कि जो प्रोटेस्ट साइट पे किसान आंदोलन के टाइम पे रेप और मर्डर हुए थे, तो इसीलिए उनको रेप का तजुर्बा बोला जाना सही है। आप इसको तो फिर कंडेम कीजिए।
नो, गलत है बोला जाना। जिस तरह से कंगना रनौत के लिए बोला गया फीमेल के लिए, आई कंडेम, नहीं बोला जाना चाहिए किसी भी फीमेल के लिए।
मैं आपको बताता हूं, देखिए ये एक आइसोलेटेड कमेंट नहीं है। एक मिनट कंचना जी एक मिनट, मैं आपको याद दिलाता हूं, आपके नेता हैं, बड़े नेता हैं शक्ति यादव, उन्होंने क्या कहा पता है आपको? नाचने गाने वाली शुड नॉट मेक सच स्टेटमेंट्स। इसको कंडेम करेंगे आप?
1 सेकेंड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने आपके चैनल पे आज ही देखा, यू नो व्हाट, Kangana made a controversial statement. Controversial statement? Really? वो controversial? You said openly कि वहाँ रेप और मर्डर हुआ है।
तो वहाँ हुआ था रेप और मर्डर?
Once Kangana said is controversial.
वहाँ पे रेप और मर्डर हुआ था। कंचना यादव, वहाँ पे रेप हुआ था, हेडलाइन था। मैं आपको सेक्शंस पढ़ के बता दूं?
नो। किसानों ने कंगना को नोटिस भेजा है मानहानि का।
अरे किसानों को नोटिस भेजना है, उनको भेजने दीजिए। वो किसान और कंगना की लड़ाई है। अगर आपको उनके बातों से आपत्ति है तो आप ये कहेंगे नाचने गाने वाली। एक मिनट, अगर मैं आपसे डिसएग्री करता हूं, एक मिनट कंचना जी, आप एक महिला हैं, अगर मैं आपसे अग्री नहीं करता तो क्या मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे नाम बोल सकता हूं? बोलना सही होगा? नहीं होगा ना। या अगर आपको मुझसे प्रॉब्लम है या आप मुझसे डिसएग्री करती हैं तो क्या आप मुझे गाली देने लगेंगी? और रेप का तजुर्बा क्या होता है मैम? साइकिल चलाना और रेप का तजुर्बा एक ही बात है। आप एक महिला हैं। और नाचने वाली का मतलब क्या होता है? नाचने वाली,
मैं 1 सेकेंड, मुझे जवाब देना दीजिए।
गलत है, उस नेता को जेल में होना चाहिए। हमने कहा है उस नेता को जेल में होना चाहिए। आप कहिए शक्ति यादव को जेल होनी चाहिए। नाचने गाने वाली, मैं बोल रहा हूं, आपने जो एग्जाम्पल दिया मैं कह रहा हूं उसका खंडन कर रहा हूं। उस आदमी को जेल होनी चाहिए। आप बोलिए शक्ति यादव को जेल में जाए। नाचने गाने वाली, ये क्या मतलब है? साइकिल चलाने वाली, आप बोलेंगी नाचने गाने वाली का क्या मतलब होता है? क्या जो लोग नाचते गाते हैं उनकी इज्जत नहीं है? कंचना जी, जो लोग नाचते हैं गाते हैं उनकी इज्जत है?
नहीं, स्टूडेंट प्रोटेस्ट करे, स्टूडेंट आतंकवादी हो गए, बलात्कारी हो गए, किसान आतंकवादी हो गए।
ममता दीदी बोल रही हैं, ममता दीदी की नेता ने बोला है कि ये स्टूडेंट्स नहीं है, उनको गुंडा कह दिया। कंचना यादव जी, ममता दीदी कह रही हैं, ममता दीदी, जहां वहां पे भी आरजेडी का अगर यूनिट है, अगर आरजेडी का लोकल यूनिट है तो वहां पे भी थोड़ा प्रदर्शन और प्रोटेस्ट करवा लीजिएगा। ममता दीदी के एक एमपी ने कहा है कि ये गुंडे हैं, ये स्टूडेंट्स नहीं है। उनके एक नेता ने ये यहां तक कह दिया, कंचना जी, कि ये अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ घूमते हैं प्रोटेस्ट के नाम पे। कमरुज़मान चौधरी, लेट्स गेट इन दी अदर्स नाउ, 1 मिनट। कमरुज़मान चौधरी जी, व्हाट स्टार्टेड विद मंडी का भाव हैज एंडेड विद रेप का तजुर्बा। Will you take onus, sir?
No, it's absolutely ridiculous to even have a debate on such a misogynistic and such a crazy remarks made by the BJP's ex-partner Akali Dal Simranjit Singh Mann. And my party never used to support all these things. Having said that, you know, when Smriti Irani lost the election, and there were crazy comments going against her on the social media, it was my leader Rahul Gandhi who stepped in and requested everybody not to pass any comments against Smriti Irani. But the same Kangana Ranawat, you know what she said about Rahul Gandhi? Is a drug test should be conducted on Rahul Gandhi. He makes nonsensical statements in the parliament. RG is frequently intoxicated. He is under influence. Now what does such statement mean? You cannot character assassinate anybody. It's not isolated one, Pranesh. Even your right wing being employed by Yogi Sarkar, Ajit Bharti today made a comment, a sexist, a very, very derogatory comments on Mahua Moitra. So these are all should be condemned. And I don't see any point in debating on this issue and giving limelights to people like Kangana Ranawat or people like Simranjit Mann.
1 minute. Kamaruzaman Chaudhary ji, first of all, you're confusing the SAD with the outfit that Mr. Mann represents. They're not the same. But that's not the point. The point is, this should not stop at mere condemnation. If you really meant action should have been taken against Supriya Shrinate, Mandi ka bhav, and then she came out and said somebody else was handling it. Mandi ka bhav. Nachne gaane wali should not make such statement. Shakti Yadav, RJD spokesperson, एक शब्द नहीं निकल रहा कंचना यादव का। बदलापुर चले गए, बंगाल चले गए, पता नहीं कहां कहां। डिबेट में समय नहीं है, नहीं तो इंडिया से बाहर चली जाएंगी ये। करण वर्मा, all this is lip service. लड़की हूं, लड़ सकती हूं, only when convenient. Nothing stops leaders from across political lines to speak in one voice. No one deserves this. No one.
Pranesh, this was all started, as you rightly said, by Supriya Shrinate. The way Kangana Ranaut has been singled out, I mean, whatever she might have said, but she doesn't deserve this kind of behavior, this kind of remark. No woman deserves this. I'm shocked that Kanchan Yadav here was defending this and she did not condemn till you asked her right in front. Her first statement coming out of her mouth was, Kangana is this, Kangana is that. She did not condemn in the first go. And I remember when the CISF constable physically manhandled her, entire Congress IT wing was celebrating. Not one word of condemnation from Priyanka Vadra who says ladki hu lad sakti hu. सबने celebrate किया था. Harsimrat Kaur Badal, she went on to say जब stupid बातें करोगे तो ऐसा ही होगा. They've gone to the extent of justifying violence, sexist remarks and now even rape. I mean, इतना गिर गए ये लोग राजनीति में that they cannot come together on this one issue. One woman has been singled out in our country. At least Kamaruzaman said that what's happened is wrong. That was the first statement coming from. But Kanchan Yadav, being a woman, she's trivializing these statements. I mean, this is shocking.
Ratan
They should all be
Sarda-
ashamed, to be honest. They should
Ratan
ask their
Sarda,
party leaders to come in one
what
voice and
will you,
condemn it.
how will you categorize this mindset? That if you disagree
first
with
of all-
someone, तो कुछ भी बोल दीजिए. Rape का तजुर्बा.
First of all, since it was a Kali guy, Khalistani supporting guy who said these horrible words, let me say what Guru Nanak Dev said. He said, from woman, man is born. Within woman, man is conceived. To woman, he is engaged and married. Woman becomes his friend. Through woman, the future generations come. When his woman dies, he seeks another woman. To woman is a bound. And he says, from woman, woman is bound. Without women, there will be no one at all. So, O Nanak, the true Lord, Lord is without a woman. So this is the respect that Sikh religion gives to women. Guru Nanak Dev created equality for men and women. He encouraged them to take part in religious activities. From this Khalistani guy, supporting guy comes and makes some horrendous remarks. That is really horrible. And the lady was very incensed about the murder and the rape. Let me just quote Times of India report made 2021. 6 people are booked for gang rape on activists. That lady, 25-year-old lady, had come from Bengal all the way. And then she confessed to her father on telephone what happened. It was a video call. Then there was a Dalit who was hacked. His hand was hacked, leg was hacked. He was hung on a police barrier. He died bleeding. And there are 6 people now facing the trial. So don't tell me it didn't happen. Of course, 26 January for you never happened. Because you don't respect Tiranga, you don't respect independence. 26 January, the most horrendous kind of act of disrespect for the flag and the Indian state was done by the same people. You will deny that also?
Absolutely, which is
Because
why we are
for
calling
you,
it the
more
worst of the worst. It began with Mandi Ka Bhav viewers, then came the Nachne Wali Jaib, and look what we are talking about. It's rape ka tajurba tonight, and if we still don't wake up and condemn this, then we don't know where we are headed as a society. Let's leave it there, viewers. Thank you for watching the News Hour with Navita Kumar on the other side.